Install CSF on Linux server. Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to install CSF on a Linux server. CSF stands for ConfigServer Security and Firewall, and it's a free and open source firewall that can be used to protect your server from a variety of attacks. In this video, I'll show you how to install CSF on a Ubuntu 20.04 server. To begin, make sure you have root access to your Linux server. We'll be using the command line interface for this installation, so open up your terminal or SSH into your server. Once you're ready, let's move on to the first step. Step 1. Update your system. It's always a good practice to keep your system up to date before installing any new software. To do this, use the following command. This command will update the package lists and upgrade any installed packages to their latest versions. Once the update process is complete, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Download and extract CSF. Now, let's download and extract CSF. We'll use the wget command to retrieve the latest version from the official website. Here's the command you need. The first command, wget, will download the CSF package, while the second command, tar, will extract the contents of the downloaded file. Once the extraction is complete, navigate into the CSF directory by using the following command. Step 3. Install CSF. With the CSF directory open, we're ready to install it. To install CSF, run the following command. This script will take care of the installation process for you. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a message indicating the success of the installation. Step 4. Configure CSF. Now that CSF is installed, it's time to configure it to suit your needs. The main configuration file for CSF is located at /etc/csf/csf.conf. You can edit this file using any text editor you prefer. For example, you can use nano with the following command. Within this file, you'll find a wide range of options and settings that allow you to customize CSF's behavior. Take your time to review the available options and adjust them according to your server's requirements. However, please be cautious and make sure you understand the impact of each change you make. Step 5. Start and test CSF. Once you've made the necessary changes to the CSF configuration file, it's time to start the CSF service. You can do this by running the following command. This command will start the CSF service and enable it on your server. You can also check the status of CSF by running the command. This will display the current configuration and the status of CSF on your server. Make sure everything looks good and that CSF is running without any errors. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and configured CSF on your Linux server. Remember, CSF is a powerful tool, but it's important to stay up to date with the latest security practices and keep an eye on the CSF documentation for any updates or changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.